Yo, productivity ninjas. Today's video is all about a mind-blowing AI tool called HARPA.ai. You've heard of ChatGPT, right? Well, HARPA takes things to a whole new level. Get ready to ditch the repetitive tasks and free up your brain for what really matters. What is HARPA.ai? Imagine a personal AI assistant living right inside your browser. That's HARPA. It's basically ChatGPT on steroids, supercharged with superpowers for the web. It can summarize articles, answer questions about web pages, write emails and code snippets, and even track prices and monitor websites for changes. Okay, let's dive into the juicy stuff. Here are just a few of HARPA's killer features. AI Writer. This is your secret weapon for slaying online tasks. You can use it to summarize YouTube videos, answer questions about any web page, and even generate SEO-optimized content like meta descriptions. Page-aware commands. Think of these as magic spells for specific websites. HARPA understands the context of the page you're on, so you can ask it things like, "What are the pros and cons of this product?" Or, "What's the main takeaway from this news article?" Web Monitor. Tired of missing updates? HARPA can track your favorite websites for changes and alert you when something new happens. Never miss a sale or a breaking news story again. But enough about tech specs. Let's see HARPA in action. Imagine you're researching a new phone. You open up a bunch of reviews, but who has time to read all that? Just fire up HARPA and ask it to summarize the key differences between these phones. Boom, instant knowledge bomb. Or maybe you're writing a blog post. Stuck on the intro? Let HARPA generate some catchy headlines for you. The possibilities are endless. Pros and cons. Look, no tool is perfect. HARPA's still under development, so there are some quirks. It can be a bit slow at times, and its writing style isn't always perfect. But the developers are constantly working on improvements, and for the sheer amount of value it provides, I'm willing to overlook a few hiccups. Final verdict. Is HARPA worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a way to boost your productivity, unleash your creativity, and conquer the internet with laser focus, HARPA.ai is a game changer. It's free, it's powerful, and it's seriously fun to use. I can't recommend it enough. So what are you waiting for? Go check out HARPA.ai and take your online life to the next level. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech hacks and productivity tips. Let's conquer the internet together.